All right, back it up slowly now. Watch the clearance.
Confirmed. We have the green light for unloading Bay 3.
The strawberries travel on wide conveyor belts into an advanced washing system where crystal clear water gently removes dust and natural impurities. The cooking process continues as excess moisture gradually evaporates, allowing the strawberry mixture to become thicker and smoother with every passing minute.
This stage locks in the freshness and delicious flavor of the strawberry jam.
The filled cartons travel through an automatic sealing machine where strong food-grade adhesive securely closes every...
Is this the last one for truck 4? Yeah, seal it up. We're good to go. Look how vibrant that color is.
It looks delicious. We should definitely get a jar.
Here is the nice strawberry jam, kids. Ooh, it looks so good. Let me put it in the cart.
Wow, this looks amazing.
It's so sweet.
Look at those happy faces.
The perfect start to a perfect day with the taste of real strawberries.